Guys, what's up? So today we're going to go through basic electrical wiring. Previous experience, we find it very difficult to find anything online, so we're going to show you through our basic setup which works for us. So the system we're running is all 12 volts. It's designed to be completely off grid. There is no hookup on it at all. So down here we have our two leisure batteries. They're both 90 amp hours each. We've got two of them in there. We've had them in for about a year now. The system's been up and running and we've had no problems with them at all. There's some cheap ones off eBay. I think they cost about 140 quid for the both of them. Both absolutely brilliant. Welcome to the engine bay. So this is where our voltage sensitive split charge relay is connected to the battery. Then inside the dash we've got a 100 amp fuse here to switch off in case of any emergencies. And then it comes out through this little duct here into the voltage sensitive relay, comes back out into another fuse as you can see here, and then it connects to the battery on the positive. There is also an earth cable here which connects to the battery, and it's also then earthed off the batteries here onto the chassis. That goes on. Now before we get onto the MPPT, let me show you what's powering the batteries. So what you can see up here so far, here is a 200 watt solar. Each panel producing 100 watts each. Here is where the solar panels and the cables go down into the roof. From the roof it comes down through the duct. The two cables go into this rotary isolator, so in case of any emergencies we can just flick the switch and the solar is turned off for any maintenance issues. Then the cable comes out into the MPPT, so the voltage from the solar panels can then be more suitable for the power bank. Here's a Victron we've gone for. And from the MPPT, the cables come out. One positive where the split charge goes onto the positive battery, and then the negative comes into the negative onto the opposite battery. So a quick refresh on where the cables are going on the batteries. Starting at the back. This one here is going to the fuse box. This one here is coming off the solar, negative. This one is going battery to battery, negative to negative. Moving across to the positive. This one here is going to the positive on this side. This other positive here is coming from the split charge on the engine, getting charge off the engine. This one here, other positive, is coming from the solar. Coming back onto this side, we have a negative going to the chassis, and we've got a positive cable there running all the way along to the fuse box. So moving on to our appliances, we haven't really got much. We've got 7 things there connected, all using 2-core cable for small appliances. So we haven't got a lot at all. The only things we've got connected, we've got a fridge. It's a Dometic CFX 35 litre compressor fridge. Like we said, it's absolutely perfect for us. It doesn't use much energy at all. We can run that all day. It's very quiet motor, and it even goes down to freezing temperatures, which is perfect for hot weather. Water pump. We've got a couple of sockets to charge our phones, our laptops. We've got a diesel heater. Just blows out the bottom. It's a 3 kilowatt diesel heater. A couple of interior lights. Here's our strip LED lights. And a spotlight. And that all runs off the 12 volt system. and a 200-watt solar, and it does amazing. We haven't had flat batteries yet. They've gone under half, but that's after quite a few days of being static with clouds. So our voltage display, just so we know what's going on with the battery. Normally in the night it sits around 12.5. Once the solar's in full use, we know it's around 14.3 to 14.5 at the maximum, so we know they're getting a good charge. On a bad day it's normally around just above 13 volts. There are many other ways of checking what the solar panels are doing. You can get a Bluetooth app that connects to the MPPT, you can get a better display monitor, but for us this is the preferred method, and it's pretty simple, to be honest. So last thing now is, where do the cables go from the fuse box? So a positive and one negative will go straight to the back of the sockets. So you've got your positive and your negative there. If there's a switch involved, we'll just put the switch in between and carry on running the cables all the way to the appliance. So there we have it. There's all of our electrical system. We hope this helps you out as much as it would have helped us out at the time. We'll list all the items in the description below. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you soon, guys. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe.